Good morning. Today is Saturday and y'all will get tired of this hat. I'm sorry, but it's actually a really good branding tool for me here because I do get stopped a lot in some areas where people know the agency and are also part of the agency as well. Anyway, today I'm gonna go shopping to get some wardrobe for a shoot that I have on Monday, and I'm going with my new friend Samba, which I showed you guys her in my last video, who's also a model here with my same agency, and she's also a stylist. But I'm gonna go walk over to meet Samba because she lives like literally right next door for the most part, and we're gonna head over to the mall.
Come take the first. The more we have this discussion, the more awkward it gets. Tea?
So the girls had me try this place called Biltong, and I was giving a live reaction, but you can't hear me with the audio because the background was so loud. But it's like beef jerky. I've never had beef jerky in the States, but it was pretty good. So just wanted to show you guys this little clip. Sorry that the lighting is terrible. Just made it back in from shopping. The girls were so much fun. Got some stuff for my shoot. They helped so much, and then we got gelato afterwards, of course. Right now, me and my friend are actually gonna head to the little bar next door just to see what it's about. And I just have on this little dress that I got from Bershka when I was in Europe a couple weeks ago, or maybe a month or two ago, and I liked it because it just reminded me of like a diesel type feel. I'm actually really tired, so hopefully we don't stay too long, but let's head over to our first Cape Town bar or club or wherever we're going. Morning. Today is Monday and I'm about to head out to my shoot. It is about 8:30. Gotta be there at 9. I just flat ironed my hair this morning. I really just flat ironed my leave out and my edges for the most part this morning, and I'm gonna let the hairstylist do her thing. I have my clothes that I'm taking here and then a few items on the couch. Sorry, I'm letting some of my stuff still air dry, and then the chair as well I'll be taking. And then for my little fit today, I have on this bodysuit from Abercrombie, these pants from Bershka, and then my shoes from this little boutique in Chicago, and then these sunglasses from H&M. So let me get my stuff together and let's head out. Made it back home and I had so much fun. I always have fun with just easy creative shoots. We just did a beauty shot and then 2 looks. I ended up leaving half of the wardrobe that I prepped last night here because I had so many different bags, and I really just need to get me like a duffel bag so I can carry everything in one as opposed to having like 12 different bags. Really upset with myself. So I spent all this weekend getting that stuff for this. But it is what it is. I'm excited to take everything back so I can get my money back. Anyway, I'm waiting for my buddy Haley to come, so we can probably try to grab something to eat and just enjoy the day. It's super duper windy today. It's so chilly. It's still like a very beautiful sunny day here in Cape Town. I have just been loving every single second of being here, and thank you guys too for just all of your support and love. I'm not trying to go home anytime soon. I really need to figure out how I can stay here longer. I need a way to make money. We're gonna figure it out, guys. We're gonna figure it out. Anyway, let me change out of this dress because I gotta make sure to keep it white so I can take it back. I'm gonna put on a hoodie and let's go get something to eat. More healthy. So we went to Bootlegger. It's like our go-to. I'm going to take a nap and then wake up, do some editing, and kind of plan out some stuff for the week. Tomorrow I have a casting for underwear, which I'm not looking forward to at all. I'm gonna suck it up because I have to go to every single casting I can to up my chances to book something. Anyway, I'm gonna get some rest and I will check in with you guys tomorrow. What's up? Today is, I think it's Tuesday. I'm gonna head over to my undies audition, and of course, out of all of the days, my time of the month started this morning, so I'm feeling very bleh. And I'm learning that being in a good mood and being happy is a choice that you actively have to make. So I am working on actively making that choice every moment I get, even when sometimes I don't feel like I want to be happy or excited or whatever. I'm going to choose to be that way. So anyway, let's head over to the casting. Just made it back. I was so nervous. It was so embarrassing that I was literally shaking. And it was only because the casting director is also casting for something else that is being shot in Canada. And he was like, you have a good look for what I'm trying to shoot for. So I had to do some improv acting, which I am no bueno at. But I did it, and now we're going to try to soak up some sun. And I'm gonna do my best to take you guys along with me, although my camera is blinking that the battery is gonna die. So sorry the lighting is bad right now. It's about 5 o'clock and we're gonna take a walk over to get some gelato and watch the sunset. I think I wore this little top earlier in this vlog, but I did just wash laundry a couple days ago, so it is clean. And I'm gonna continue to plan out my dates for this week, and then I'm gonna plan out some videos where I want to give you guys a little bit more tea about what's really going on over here. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see those, and hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next one.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.